Oh, whoa.
No ways.
Whoa.
This is incredibly rare to see. There's another crocodile coming in now.
Wir nicht schauen, wenn er nicht. Das ist jetzt nicht so lustig.
Okay, so they're going to try and get it into the water now. They need to spin the wildebeest to try drown it, basically. Oh no, 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 it looks like he's got away. He's...
Whoa. Whoa, they are going. Wow.
It's still there. We're trying to.
Oh, there's a crocodile.
No, I think the crocodile is still actually got a grip underneath.
I should say.
The croc won't let go.
Oh no.
Oh no, okay. That's not a good place there. That's quite... I think they've got the crocs off them again.
The hippos are protecting.
Come on, wildebeest, if you can just keep his head up. Yes. Yeah, you see he's moving now. We got the croc off.
The croc is off of him.
Come on, come on. That's it. Come on.
Go up.
Keep going.
Run. He's limping pretty badly. Hey!
Wow.